INTC stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm gonna have to say that my last prediction was on point and there was money made. Right, here is the prediction. It was made 3 weeks back, 1st of April, on April Fool's Day. I know, ironic, but that's how it looked like, right? And not only did it deliver, such a peaceful kind of delivery. As of right now, it's still in a bearish range, so the likelihood that the price just still continues to come down is still quite high. And if it does not show me any sort of double break, then I'm not looking to take it down. So that's how it's looking like for me. If there is no confirmation, there's no trades taken, and that's it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. By the way, I'm also, like, you know, in trading, there's candles appearing every day if the market is open, of course. And that's why, if you want to stay tuned for free, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.